The secret to Feed the Birds is the way the music and the lyrics tell the same story. The song is about how little acts of kindness and showing love that doesn't cost much can change the entire world. And like that, in the music, it's the little movements of the notes that completely change the color of the entire thing. So listen, for example, here's the last bit of Feed the Birds. Though her words, the only thing that changed was the bass note. Though her words, and it lifts it. And then we get simple and few. Now listen. Listen. One note up, listen, and then listen to this note. It's gonna change. Just move one little half step down and it changes everything. Listen, she's calling to you. And then listen to the chromaticism in here. Oh, it's those little notes. Listen, listen, she's calling to you. Oh, and then listen to this. Feed the birds. This is the note that's going to move down just one, and it changes everything. Tuppence a bag. And my favorite, these last three chords we get, one note changes in them each time, aside from the bass note, and it changes the feel of the entire thing. We get a B major 7 on the first tuppence, and then one note changes. The bottom note moves up by just one half step on the second tuppence, and we get tuppence. It changes the entire feel. Tuppence. Tuppence, and then it moves down again. Tuppence a bag, and when you add the bass note in, it just adds to that flavor. Here, listen. Tuppence.